Using the 3TG CLI to mock functions, we have a function called mathOp which receives two unknown arguments and needs to sum them up. If either of the arguments cannot be converted to a number, an error will be thrown. The conversion of an argument is performed by another function named toNumber. Since we already have tests for toNumber that verify its behavior, we want the tests for mathOp to mock the results returned by the toNumber function, so it simply returns the argument as is without any validation or conversion. Let's add the return value for the mocked function and save it. The mocked function is exported as a constant. If we prefer, we can generate it as a function. We will now regenerate the mock file. Let's use 3TG to generate the test for utils.ts to see how the mock is included. Let's run the tests. Everything works as expected. To verify that our mock is actually working, let's change the return value of the mock function to 0. Let's run the tests again. In our tests, toNumber returns 0, as expected. If you found this helpful and you're leading a development team which want to boost code quality and test coverage without slowing developers down, head over to 3tg.dev and get your licenses today. 3TG is built for developers and teams who want to write better, faster, and smarter tests. And for companies that care about reliable code, fast onboarding, and scalable test generation. Purchase the right licenses for your team at 3tg.dev. Also check the Coding Creed Technologies manifesto at codingcreed.tech. You can contact us at any time by email at support@codingcreed.tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you.